The whenua of Aotearoa is vast and filled with wonder. A native species that have been extinct or forced to adapt due to introduced pests. None more fascinating than the city slicker. Forced from their natural habitat into urban settings, these creatures are now largely reliant on others to sustain and nourish them.
These guys, that's what we're supposed to look like. Cue the Top Gun music.
Join us on our journey to introduce these fascinating creatures back into the wild, in an attempt to reunite them with what once was and what could be.